Hi, I'm Dalton Charles, and today I'm going to be talking about my project, The Effects of Distractions While Driving.
Summarize your project.
I designed the effects of distractions while driving because I wanted to inform upcoming drivers about the dangers of distracted driving. The purpose of my project was to show that distractions have a negative effect while driving. I created this test for 10 different participants that involves completing a Mario Kart course 3 different times, and to test and prove that what distractions will result while driving. Each course consisted of 3 laps. Each participant was asked to complete the first course without any distractions. Participants completed the next 2 courses, which involved distractions being introduced at various points on the course. The distractions were texting, eating, makeup, music, a conversation, and interacting with pets. Then I was able to analyze the effects of the distractions had. For example, did they leave the course or did they make an accident? When I observed the drivers completing the first course, it was safe with very little accidents. Over the next few courses, when distractions were introduced, there were more crashes and accidents. The results showed that eating and music caused the most distractions out of all of them, but all of the distractions had a negative effect on the drivers.
Where did you get the idea?
I got the idea because I wanted to inform upcoming drivers on distracted driving. I knew since more and more distractions keep coming, they keep getting involved with our driving. This can be a problem because people try to multitask while driving, which is very harmful to the safety of others. My friends and I enjoy video games, so I thought this would be a fun yet informative way proving that distractions have a negative effect on driving.
What difficulties did you encounter?
The biggest challenge that I faced was planning the course and where the distractions would occur. It was very important that all the participants had the exact same course in the exact same order for me to analyze the data. Every participant had the exact same distraction introduced at the same interval too. This allowed me to see how severe the consequences of each distraction was.
How did you overcome those difficulties?
I had to do a great deal of planning to determine the nature of the distraction, the length of the distraction, and the exact location too. I created a map of the track and labeled it with specifics of each distraction. I then used this as my guide to introducing the distractions while each participant was completing the course. I knew that planning was important because if I made an error and the participant was to complete that again, he or she would know where the distraction was going to happen on the course, and this would have compromised my experiment.
What did you enjoy about the project?
Overall, I really enjoyed just seeing how different people reacted to the different distractions. And it was also funny when some people slid off the course or turned the whole way around or started screaming. I also liked how it shows that nobody can drive while multitasking. And if you need to, you can just pull over at your nearest stop.
Where did you do the project and what supports did you get?
I did the project at my house in the basement and had my dad help me with the recording. I did the project in my basement using the Wii game. My dad recorded for me because I had to put the distractions at the different times for the participants.
What would be the next steps if you decided to continue this project?
My experiment involved a video game. However, it would be very interesting to see the effect of distractions on drivers through more of a scientific tool like an fMRI. This would show me the brainwaves of the driver and who is distracted. It would also give me a more accurate gauge of how distractions impact our ability to drive. There would be also many other applications for experimenting as how distractions affect other aspects of our life. For instance, how distractions affect our ability to study, play sports, and concentrate in general. The possibilities are endless. Thank you.